The world is dying cause they have no hope. They don't know Jesus, they don't know how to cope. Give me the words so I can touch the soul. Give me love for people for the heart's done cold. I got some homies that are still in the street, looking for a purpose, there is only defeat. I try to help them, only thing I can say, come back to the Father, He will make you a way. Tell me, can you feel my pain? Tell me, can you see these tears? I have been on my own for too many years. Tell me, can you feel my pain? Tell me, can you see these tears? I have been on my own for too many years. I know it's hard and I know it gets heavy, but we're born into a war, so you gotta stay ready. There is a way out, there is hope from above. I'm telling him it's Jesus, He's the Father of love. He knows your pain and He can see your tears. He's reaching out His hands, can you feel that He's here? All things will change and all things become new. God can make a miracle, He'll do it for you. Jesus, He can feel your pain. Jesus, He can see your tears. You don't have to be alone. My Father is here. Jesus, He can feel your pain. Jesus, He can see your tears. You don't have to be alone. My Father is here.